So this is a good news for those of you who have been following me for some time now. You know, I promise you that I'll be opening a new channel to help those who like to start their YouTube journey. I said that for some time now. It looks as if I've not done anything about it. So the good news is that there is a solution. The good news is that I've started something. That is what we'll be discussing in today's segment. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Yeah, so welcome once again to Lorato TV. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. It's been a long time. I know that I've not been consistent enough these days. You know, work. It's been work. So very difficult to be consistent. But, well, I celebrated my birthday, and one of the resolutions, you know, I told myself that I have to take this thing seriously now. And so, trust me, you see me, okay? So it's all because of work. So very, very difficult. By the way, as I said in the beginning of the video, I promise you that I'll be coming out with a YouTube channel and that I'll be teaching you how to go about it. It's not just tapping the camera and start shooting. No, you need to know certain things. And we have so many channels out there who teach you how it is done. But then some of them, we call something gatekeeping. Some will not give all the info. They'll say that, okay, if you want more about this, go and buy my course and all of that. And sometimes it's difficult for some of you. You say when I started this journey and you don't have anything, it's difficult to go and buy some courses, so many thousands of dollars to be able to start your YouTube journey. So I want to share my experience with you. I don't claim to be expert, but I'll share some of the things that I have learned. I'll share some of the things that I have learned with you. And those of you who are in, you know, a different country where you can monetize your YouTube channel, I know how difficult that can also be, that you put in a lot of work, because YouTube stuff is not easy. It's difficult. You know, getting the gadget is expensive. The gadgets are very expensive these days. And after that, you have to sit, you have to shoot, you have to decorate the background, you have to pop money into that. Very expensive, you know. And after all of that, you will not be given anything. You know, you can't monetize your channel. It will be frustrating. So what do you need to know? What do you need to know about all of that? And how do you go about that so that you can start your own journey, okay? And earn something from that. I will take the time to teach you, okay? So we have a community. You can join the community. The type of niche you should go for, all of that I'll be teaching you for free, okay? For free. I know how difficult it is for you to, you know, get all the money and go and buy courses and start. I know it's difficult, so I want to teach you for free. We are friends, you know, we are Africans. So we need to help one another. We need to help one another. So I will do that, you know, for free. And all I want you to do is go and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be part of this journey also, write in the comment section, I am in, I am ready. And then make sure and you follow us or you subscribe to the channel so that together we can grow. So that we'll be using the platform also to help one another to grow, okay? It's all about collaboration, you know. You can go far. And some will say that one tree cannot make a forest. It's an African proverb. So let's all come together and make that big for us. I know also that some of our African leaders do not care. They don't have our time. So that is why it's difficult for those who cannot monetize their YouTube channel. Their leaders are not ready to do anything about it. So what about us? What can we do to help those who can monetize? We are there to help one another. You know, some leaders do not care because they know that when you are financially independent, what happens is that they can use you as a tool for their own cause. We know that, and we want you also to have this opportunity. And how do you go about that? That is why I said I'll teach you how to go about it. Do you have any other question? Let me know in the comment section below. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching today's show. If it's your first time, as I said, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the channel with friends and loved ones. Till we come your way. Have a wonderful day.